So I've got it on now. I just turned it on, it's idling. And what I wanted to do was take a look out here at the exhaust pipe, because like I said, when it overheated, it was, I mean, that's something that could cause a head gasket failure, and I'm a little bit concerned about this sort of smoke that's coming out. But it's also, it was really foggy yesterday and all last night, so I'm hoping that it's just condensation in the exhaust system, and that if I were to